Hi, Natalia. I just wanted to send you a quick video on your question on the midterm um, project. You did a great job. I think I figured out why the grading system in my lab was confused. You definitely have all of these formulas correct. You have the sum, the average, so all of these are correct, and your count if, that's good. But I think where maybe it kind of tripped up the system. I'm going to go over here to the instructions. So a couple things. In step 13, you did the table with the headers, you got your count on the quantity of stock from skiing, and then it says remove the total row from the table and then clear the sport filter. And then the next step, you're doing the if statement, and they're telling you, this is part of the if statement, that it should contain the word order if it's less than 50, and if not, then it's supposed to say okay. So let's go back over here to your file. So I think right here you also filtered by the word order. You have your formulas here are correct, but I think if we take that off, then we get back all of the items, and then we would they also wanted you to sort on item number from smallest to largest, because in the directions it made reference to, like, it didn't find the number 58 in row in cell A19, so I think that might be why it kind of tripped it up here. That's going to be my guess. So again, you didn't have to filter on order. They're just making sure that when you make your formula, you have the word order here or okay. So you're giving it the two results from the test. And so all of that was good. All of this was good. I'm going to go ahead and give you full credit for the exam, but I just wanted to kind of give you what I think, an idea of what I think happened, just so you know. So I'm glad that you reached out to me to let me know so I could take a look at it. And again, I'll go ahead and update your points. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know, okay? All right, take care.